Hello. Today I'm going to show you what to do after a malfunction of your one-touch open and close function of your Windows system. We can reactivate the one-touch open and close function if it fails to operate. It's easy. You see, you can go down and go up, but there is no one-touch open function anymore. This is possible after you disconnect your battery system and then you reconnect it, for example. It's easy to fix that. To perform a reset of that system, you have to pull and hold the electric window switch until the window is fully closed. Then we release the switch after we close the entire window, and then we pull it again for at least 1 second. And 1 second is and one. Not only one, it's and one. Okay? So I repeat it. We're going to pull and hold the electric window switch until the window is fully closed. We release the switch and then we pull it again for at least 1 second. Job's done. And now let's have a look. It should work with the automatic one-touch window open and close function anymore. So you perform this reset and it should be go. And job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Of course, you can perform with the other windows as the same thread, okay? That means passenger side, rear passenger side, all the same style. Pull and hold it, close it, release, and then again for 1 second. Job's done, baby. It works. Yeah. Sun.